In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and embed a 3D scene and using Spline and Webflow. This process allows you to design an interactive 3D asset and seamlessly integrate it into your Webflow project, adding a dynamic element to your website. Let's dive in. First, you'll want to create your 3D scene in Spline. This is where the magic begins as you design your asset. In Spline, which is entirely browser-based, you can build your 3D object from scratch. Utilize the diverse set of tools available to add textures and create animations or interactions. These elements enhance user engagement by making your 3D objects not just visually appealing, but also interactive. When you've finished your design, your next task is to set the export options. Head over to the export settings in Spline. Here, generate a public URL for your scene. If you'd like a transparent look, you can disable the background color, which gives a PNG-like effect. Moreover, consider setting the mouse events to global to enable entire page interactions, making your scene more responsive to user actions. As a crucial step, don't forget to optimize your scene. You might want to reduce the number of polygons, materials, and lights. This ensures your 3D asset loads quickly, providing a smoother experience on your website. Once you have your 3D scene ready, it's time to embed it in Webflow. In your Webflow project, navigate to the Add panel. You'll find a variety of options here, and you'll want to look under Media to find and drag the spline scene element directly onto your canvas. Now select this element and turn to the Element Settings panel. Here you'll find the spline scene settings, where you can paste the public URL you copied from Spline into the URL field. Controlling the size and position of your 3D object on the page is crucial. To do this, consider adding a parent, such as a section or container element. By adjusting its dimensions and positioning, you can precisely control how and where your 3D object displays on the page. You might even utilize a sticky position setting, ensuring that your asset remains in view as the user scrolls, maintaining engagement. Finally, if your 3D object doesn't appear as expected, there's an easy fix. Simply click the Reload button in the Spline Scene settings in Webflow. This action refreshes the scene, ensuring everything loads properly and appears as intended. And there you have it. By following these steps, you can seamlessly integrate a compelling 3D scene into your website using Spline and Webflow, adding an engaging dimension that can captivate visitors and enhance their experience.